Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing the UK black girl makeup, and I'm gonna be priming my face, and also I'm going in with the pore filler to fill in my pores. Blend that into the skin and allow it to sit in for a few seconds. And next I'm gonna be mixing two foundations from Fenty Beauty. I'm just mixing both foundations. It's preference. You can decide to go in with your regular foundation. I love the consistency from mixing both foundation, and one of them is my exact skin tone and the other one is slightly lighter, and I'm gonna be using my flat foundation brush to apply that on my face and blend it out, going in with my buffing brush to blend everything in together and down to my neck. Sis, we're not forgetting our neck too. I'm also going to be taking these two concealers from ELF and apply that on my under eye area. For this look, we want a really highlighted under eye. I'm also going to be taking this concealer from Glam Beauty for my contour shade. I'm going to blend my contour first and let the concealer get tacky before blending in. To blend my highlight together, I'm going to be using the Glam Beauty sponge, and I'm blending from my upper lip before blending my under eye. Blending from the edges, spreading it out, working it one under eye at a time. Going back in with the brush we used for contour, I'm going to blend the concealer, the highlights and the contour together to take off any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to be going in with another concealer from Maybelline to highlight my under eye again. This is optional, but since we're going for a really brightened under eye, I'm using a really light concealer, lighter than the previous one we used, and I'm going to press that in gently or patting it gently. You're not in a hurry, do not rush over this step. I'm gonna go in with this setting powder from Inglot, and since I'm starting to crease in my under eye area, I'm gonna use the blender we used earlier to take off the creases, press the powder to set my under eye. I forgot to use a cream blush, don't know what I was thinking, but I went in to use my cream blush. I love the illusion of the blush underneath my makeup. I'm gonna go in with the beauty sponge I used to press in the powder and blend between the blush and the setting powder to take off the harsh lines. And next I'm going to contour my face using my powder palette. With the same powder palette, blend the sides where we did not apply any concealer product and blend it down to my neck. With a powder blush to set my blush. Also going to go in with the powder brush we used earlier to blend my blush, my contour and my highlight together. Next, I'm going to go in to contour my nose using the same powder we used to contour the other sides of my face. And I'm also going to be using the same setting powder I used earlier to define my nose contour and also bake my under eye. For my brows today, I'm going to be using the Flawless Ivy Sculpting Brow Pencil to fill in my brows. Cleaning underneath my brow with the ELF concealer. I'm also going to use that as my eyeshadow primer for today. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Focalor Twilight eyeshadow palette today, using that brown shade on my crease. And also going to use the Mood Beauty palette in Arusha, using the shade in Mocha for my lids. Next, I'm going to go in with my mascara from Clinique, and I'm also going to be using a brown liner on my waterline. I'm also going to be taking this powder foundation to dust off the excess powder underneath my eye and blend the rest of my face using a powder brush. There's no product in it. using this Tehila Face Cosmetics highlighter for my highlighter today. Place on the highest point of my face, the bridge of my nose, and also my cupid's bow. I'm also going to be setting my face using this focal color setting spray. Allow that to sit in. Next, I'm going to line my lip. I'm also going to be using 2 lip glosses. To line the top of my lip, I'm going to be using the clear gloss. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button down below, and also watch my other videos to stay connected. Bye guys.